Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, May 6th, and we're going to take a look really quick at the Dow Futures. It's about 2:20 in the afternoon when I'm recording this, and we're still climbing here. But I want to talk a little bit about what we discussed in the trade room today, and then the setup we were watching and the trades we had, because we had some longs in the indices in the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Dow, the Russell. That played out really well. Looking for the gap fill. So remember, one thing I've talked about in previous videos is we don't want to just blindly buy a gap down or blindly sell a gap up. We don't just blindly go for gap fills, okay? However, when we do break out and we gap down or gap up, and then we go into consolidation like we did this morning, we can look for that compression breakout. And if it breaks, for example, we gap down here, we went into compression this morning, and then we broke out of that compression to the upside, that gives you the okay to look for a gap fill, or at least a partial gap fill. So our first targets, we were looking at coming up to this 26,284 level, which is where we gapped down to. So we broke out of the pennant down at around 2606, 26,060, but really we were not looking to buy until we were above 26,078, because we were looking at resistance up here where we just about had a double top earlier. And it obviously broke right through that 26,078 level and has just continued to climb here very nicely. So when we look at this, we then say, okay, now where's our target? Well, the first target was where we gapped down to 26,284. And then now that we're getting through there, we're looking for potential continuation all the way up to fill the gap, which means we're looking for about 26,470 or so. So keep an eye out for that. But again, the whole point of this is to say, don't just blindly buy and sell gaps looking for gap fills. Wait until it gives you a signal that it's going to go back the opposite direction. Then look to enter the trade. You'll have a much higher probability of having a successful gap fill trade as opposed to just blindly trying to buy it when it gaps down or sell it when it gaps up. All right. So that's it for today. I will see you all bright and early in the trading room tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.